oil bottles, cut just 3 slits with 1 knot so you can drag the thing, or you can just have 4. I just cut 3 slits, barely enough to make it fit. And now 2 people or 1 person should be able to just drag it, or 2 people better. Okay. Maybe go over here,
Good.
over there.
Yes.
Let's see how well it drags. Work.
Yes.
I think you over here, Victor. Over here. Okay, just pull. Yeah, see? Okay, very good.